today I have a life hack for you. How do you fix window treatments, window covers, called blinds? How do you fix them? In case they break down and crack like this one, how do you fix them? I have a very easy and simple solution. Previously, in one of my videos, I had showed you how to clean the blinds, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these cracked blinds or the broken ones. And I thought, how about turning them upside down and making a hole on the other side? So this cracked and broken part will remain in the bottom. If you cannot cut it, if you have issues with the size, with the length of the blind, you may just leave it as at the same length. Just make a hole on the other side of the blind and again put it back. First of all, I did it with carton material, some carton paper, but later I thought about you won't guess it, screwdriver. Easy and simple solution. You are just cutting this part, this narrow area, in case your window allows it. I don't say cut half of it, I'm just saying cut a little bit. And make a hole with your screwdriver. So easy. Just warm up your screwdriver on a gas stove. Let me show you how. Ignore the discoloration of this gas stove. I have to brighten it up a little bit. I didn't do it because I knew I'm going to do this thing. So after you warm up your screwdriver, it's so easy to poke through the blinds and make a hole like this one. It has to be a flat screwdriver and make sure it's a little bit wide. And that's it. It's a simple screwdriver. One more tip. Try to poke from the front, not from the back of the blinds, but the front. So the front will look better, cuter. You just take your screwdriver and eyeball to see where is the middle of your blind. Leave half of a finger size. By the way, make sure your screwdriver is hot enough, otherwise it will not make a hole. And press hard and see how nicely it went through. And take your screwdriver out. Done. Later you can clean the remainings of the plastic in the backside. This one didn't work well because the screwdriver was kind of already dirty with the burnt plastic. This is the third tip. Clean your screwdriver before you poke. Every time you poke, after poking, clean it because the plastic remains on the screwdriver, and when you are warming it up, the plastic burns and makes kind of a mess on your next blind that you are trying to poke. How to clean this burnt plastic from the screwdriver? Again, you are warming it up and just scraping it off with a knife. See, I scraped it off. You may also use acetone to clean the discoloration and the burnt parts, and that's it. You have a new screwdriver. Okay, now when I have all my blinds poked, I'm going to hang them up. First one, you're just pushing it up. That's it. Done. See how easy it was? Second one, you're just pushing it up. Done. Second. Done. And my blinds are all in their place.